True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Savannah, St. Elizabeth. We all know Hurricane Melissa hit St. Elizabeth and a lot of people in the Savannah area, some place in Knoxwood, Lacovia, Slipe, go straight back to Holland. We have a pumping station and we also have a reservoir in that area, guys, and I want you to all leave in the comment section because the reservoir is not working and I believe this is one of the biggest parish tank in a St. Elizabeth, guys. So tell me what you think about this. So I'm going to show you the pumping station. Also, I'm going to show you the reservoir where it supplies a lot of communities with water. Yeah, man, so stick and stay and so I go. I'm just giving a sneak peek on the reservoir and also this pumping station is at 21 Riverhead. Can I tell us so when me live in a Savannah for a long period of time and me never really see here so this well run out of water yet. Them say at 21 Riverhead and they need to look into the situation with the reservoir, pump some water, go up there and make it gravity feed back into the community when we have a natural disaster. So stick and stay and so I go, my beautiful people. Can you hear the pump running? So leave in the comment section, guys, where you're watching from. This is your boy Fire Reid showing what I go on in St. Elizabeth, Savannah. You realize, I think this is the sign. Yeah, man, the sign kind of really tear down. So I want the water commission man to set up at the place nice and proper. And also, safety is paramount. I see where they don't have any lock in this area. Yeah, man, so they need to protect our pump. Yeah, man, so this is our pump. So you can hear the pump running. So yes, some people want to get to me and say, you know, they really highlight this place about how it look. But when a natural disaster or anything, realize we're short of water for a couple of months. And the reservoir was supposed to store the water and gravity feed. That place has always been an attraction also. In the morning time, people used to run, go up at the reservoir. It used to flow like about 6 a.m. in the morning and 5 p.m. in the evening. So the people them used to have like back pain. They used to walk, go up at the reservoir and make the reservoir beat them back where them feeling the pain. So stick and stay. I go to the reservoir and show them what I go up there. Blessed my beautiful people. Yeah, man, so you can see the sign. Them call it Pump House Lane. And also you have the Jehovah Witness Church right over there. That is the Kingdom Hall. I'm not really going to see it from here, so, but can I just pack me a pint? Yeah, man, so the reservoir is way up on the hillside up there, so way up on the hillside. So normally people come here and jog in the morning time, evening time, physical fitness. So I take you now way up at the reservoir. So stick and stay, my people. So yes, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, so this is the parish tank. Yeah, man, this is one in a Savannah. So as I'm saying, I think this is abandoned. No water at all. after Hurricane Melissa, I realized people been suffering from water. And you have this tank right here, just sitting down, not doing anything. Somebody who can look into the situation and see if they can get that tank up and running. Yeah man, please and thanks. I want to send that video all over the place so somebody can take into consideration and so they can do about the tank here. Yeah man. You can see it. Empty door, you know. Empty tank. First time I used to come here, so them thing I used to spin and turn and don't know what's happening. Also, right up there, so one piece of pipe, overflow pipe up at the top. In the morning time, I used to overflow like 6 a.m. and in the evening about like 5 p.m. So people used to come around here. You man see there? People used to come, exercise. They used to come right here and shower every morning and also in the evening time. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. I'm giving a circle and showing where I'm going, you know. Back in the days when we were a boy, we used to come at them places, we used to play gun war. And we used to clean up the tank and run the tank, but things kind of change. I don't see where you have some younger people now. They don't really think about that. They just sit down, maybe playing games and then tablet and things like that. Yeah man, we used to walk around the tank, man. Walk around the tank. See it? You can see the bush up you want to clean out, so I take some time on them there and come clean it around the tank. Empty tank. This thing going to waste for people. Don't know how much, I really don't know how much water this tank hold, but we know say it would be a good thing if we had a tank up and running, because this place isn't really out of water like that. Normally like when you have a power outage, you realize the pump kind of cut out, so you know say you not have any power to pump the water and thing. So that's the only time water is out of this area or natural disaster. So it's a simple one too. Them can get a generator, put it down at the pumping station, pump some water, come up here so the people them, in case of any natural disaster, them can have some form of water supply, meaning gravity feed to different communities, guys. Nothing can beat the country life, you know, man. Nothing can beat the country life. I searched for something a while ago. I try to see it. Oh, see it here? See it here, my people? Yeah, man, what them call this here? Think I saw orange. Yeah, man, sour orange, them call this. Good for make. We call it sugar and water. Have some sugar and pour it in the cup. And we cut this and squeeze it in it and get some nice sugar and water. Have a nice flavor. So when you come to the countryside, you need to check to get some sour orange. Yeah, man. See the tree here. And this can make some nice, good flavor if you give you some tea, you know. A morning time you can draw some tea in the morning with the leaf. Yeah, man. So the breadfruit here, a hurricane Melissa do all of that. We used to come up here, so we used to come up here, we used to roast with breadfruit and saltfish. I tell you, so nothing can beat the country life, you know. We used to come up here and roast with breadfruit and saltfish. We used to shoot bird back in the days, and also we have a pimento tree. We used to pick our natural pimento and just crush it, wash off the saltfish, make up the fire, and roast some saltfish with some onion, and we have some butter on the side same way. So nothing can beat the country life, people. Yeah, man, I love the country life. Yeah, man, see it there? I'm going to show you. Alright, see that? Yeah, man, this is the water used to flow out. As I said before, the water used to flow right out of that little piping right there. So every morning, yeah, man, we used to go underneath it, and we used to beat in our back. And also, if you have any back pain, it's good for it, you know. Alright, I see. So I go on here. So. Alright, see it here? This is the pipe. So the pipe where we used to get the water from. As you can see, I'm going to tell you, say, it's empty right now. Empty, empty. And that is not good, my people. That is not good. Yeah, man, we want some water in the tank. And the tank, I don't see we have any damage like that, any leak. I don't see any rotten spot on it like that. Yeah, man, so this is the old tank now. I don't know about ears. Ears, them tank, they rate us. Ears, ears, ears. We used to go up inside of the tank. We used to play gun war. So we used to enjoy the country life. You can see it. See, this one is a different type of making a tank. A lot of bolts. Yeah, man, you have a lot of bolts, nut and bolt. You can see design. Yeah, man, so it's like a seal in between the tank, so to prevent it from leak. So nothing cannot beat the country life, my beautiful people. Yeah, man, so I go on there. So ears them tank there, so man, ears. You can see stand up on some column like. Yeah, man, so them column here hold the tank. We used to go underneath there. Sometimes we used to go out there, we rest, we sleep. Yeah, so play gun war. Any farmer look at thing we used to do up here, so man. And that is the tank. The blue and white. It take over from this tank and used to supply the community with water. Yeah, man. So tell us how to fit still if you come at them place, yeah. It's a nice ground for run and exercise. Yeah. See when you're up here, you can see right over into the Black River area. You can see the Black River Sea. Also you have a Maras. Yeah, man, it's a nice view from this area, guys. So when you're up here, so you can see way out on the main road. So what do you think about the country life? Tell me about it. Nothing can beat that, my beautiful people. And thank you guys for watching the channel. Just giving an update what take place in our beautiful parish, in our beautiful island also. So we can stick and stay for more videos on the channel. Share a video so people can know what going on in this community, you know. One love and one heart, my beautiful people. Keep safe.